Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Please subscribe if you haven't yet already. It's a red button beneath me somewhere, and if you click on that, you'll be subscribed. There's also a white bell next to that, and if you click on that, you'll get an alert every time I upload new content. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. That would make me super happy. Today's video is an unboxing of my June Candlefish library box. It's a monthly subscription service. It's $30 a month, which is the same price as their actual candles. This is one of the ones from last month. Last month's theme was amber. And this is one I just finished burning this. These are really lovely. I've been burning them together. But this is the size. It's 2.5 ounces, and they do run for $10. You can get a better deal if you're buying like a full year in advance. I only did 3 months because I wanted to see what it was like before I committed, but I'm really enjoying it. Not that I get into a rut, but I kind of do get in a rut with what I like. And this is a nice way to explore, and I have a lot of Candlefish candles, but it's a nice way to explore maybe things that I wouldn't otherwise buy. And they're small, so it's not a huge commitment. So the box opens, and then there's this little, this is how it was last month. There's a little orange thing, and then the candles inside, and then the card that describes it. So last month's theme was amber, and this, so it comes with a card about candles and about candle care, which is nice. Things about trimming and burn time and extinguishing and storage. And it looks like this month's theme is coffee and tea, which is definitely not something that I normally am attracted to. And it comes with this kind of library card. This side says, Rise and Shine, the Candlefish Chandlers. They're out of South Carolina, I think, and I'll put a link in the description box down below to everything. So I'll open up the first one, and they're all numbered. So this one is number 24. And on the card, it is Bergamot, Spearmint, and Tea. Well, that's really nice. I definitely would not have ever. I'm normally not into coffee and tea, and mint especially, really even. Especially spearmint. I'm definitely more of a peppermint person than a spearmint person. But this is lovely and really fresh. Not really picking up the tea. Sometimes candles smell different when they're giving you a cold throw, which is what I have right now, versus when they're melting. So really curious to see about this. Next is number 87, and it's milk, coffee, and vanilla. And that's really all they're giving me in terms of description. They're not giving me more than that. Curious about this. Yeah, I'll definitely burn this. I might burn this separately. The other ones I burned together kind of as a trio, but this definitely smells like coffee, which I'm not. Coffee with a little vanilla and maybe a little bit of milk. So it's definitely true to what it is. I'm glad to have it because I have smelled a lot of coffee candles and they just never do it for me. This one's not doing it for me, but there's something creamier about this that I like better, but it's totally fine. I'm grateful to have this kind of to compare. And last, number 98, this guy, number 98, is Clary Sage, Lemongrass, and Green Tea. Ooh, what? That's amazing. I can smell the lemongrass and I can smell the green tea. I don't know what Clary Sage smells like, but the lemongrass and the green tea, and I'm not much of a tea drinker either, but ooh, this is lovely. Those first and the third will be really good together, and the second I'm definitely going to give a go. Again, sometimes things smell different when you burn them when they're warm versus when they're giving you a cold throw. So definitely going to give these a go, and I have one more month left. I might do more. I'm really enjoying these. I'm enjoying, I have a lot of candles. It's kind of a problem, but I'm enjoying getting things that are a surprise. So thank you for watching. Let me know if you're subscribing to any non-beauty or any other kind of subscription services that I should check out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. A lot to do in the world, a lot to do on YouTube, and it means a lot that you spend some time with me today. Take care, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.